Hi there, my name is Vlad, and I'm here to introduce you to a brand new feature here at Kinde, custom JWT tokens. Yeah, tokens. JSON Web Tokens are the lifeblood and soul of any auth product or auth service provider. You can really think of them as VIP passes or passports to what is your restricted area of the application. You really don't want to, go to the first bouncer you see at your VIP lounge and start giving your entire bank details and social security cards. You really want to keep that kind of information on a as needed basis. And so this is exactly the same case here in with JWTs in general. So I'm going to show you exactly how to interact with them and what they look like from the client and app perspective. So here I have loaded up the KindeXJS App Router Starter Kit. I just pulled it up from our docs. You can find us on GitHub. Here, our starter kit essentially leads to a dashboard once you log in. I've replaced the dashboard with this essential client page class, and I just got it from here. I kind of just wrapped this one here, and all it's going to be doing is printing off the entire JWT token right there in our web page, so we can see what the actual differences are going to be. Okay, cool. So that's pretty much it. I've launched my app. It's already at localhost 3000, so I can probably just swing this away for now for visibility here. And so here is my app. Let me sign in real quick. So if I sign into my username, I can get my username. There we go. Should be able to get my auth provider real quick. Oh damn, that was a very fast email verification code. So we press continue to next, and we're now signed in under my alias. So here we have the entirety of the structure, and the access token itself is right here. So what we're looking at for the custom JWTs would be the particularly the customization of this access token. Inside this access token, we have different kind of organizational level things. If there's a billing attached, if I've paid, what orgs I'm a part of, what permissions I'm a part of, et cetera, et cetera. And so what we can now do is, if we go to our actual web page, so I'm signed up under my applications that I'm working on, and then here we have the tokens button. And inside the tokens button, we can set our expiry dates, but what we're looking at here is the token customization aspect of it. And so these are the different things that you're able to flip on essentially. So if I, for example, were to put everything on, I can see this endpoint, and this endpoint, after it's saved, that user now, or people who are able to access this application, all of them will have all of these JWTs attached to their user accounts. So for example, if I go back to my app here, if I refresh, nothing will change. That is intended. So essentially what is happening here is the client side or the JWT is already loaded client side, and you can do one of two things. So you would either have to log out and log back in, so the JWT will be recycled and refreshed, or there actually is an API endpoint that we offer, and if you hit that endpoint, it will automatically refresh a very specific user. We're still looking into trying to get that rolled out in a more succinct way, but at the moment, this is how this stuff works. So here, waiting for my other auth code. Let's get it up. There we go. Press continue, and I signed in again. Inside my sign in, now you can see now this is way more feature rich than it was before. Now, for example, I have my entirety of my Hasura mapping, which I'll be able to use to integrate other stuff, and essentially having all the features that I haven't flipped off. I don't think this account has most of these features, especially machine-to-machine objects, but this should pretty much be able to easily get started. Obviously, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have Slack, Discord, Intercom, email. There's a will, there's a way. You'll be able to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help you get started on your Kinde journey. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. How it going?